So for the gold, I will use Viking Gold from scale 75, and I will just apply to the all parts of the model that are going to be painted with this color. So it's nothing fancy. Okay, so let me paint the rest of the cam and we'll come back to the next stage. Alright, and as you can see, the gold is already painted, and now I will use Wildwood from Games Workshop. It's a contrast, and I will just give a wash on the entire gold surface. So it's a very basic step, and let me paint everything off cam. So I gave a wash with Wildwood, and now I will use Basilicanum Grey, also from Contrast. It's not diluted, remember. And I will just wipe it on the white on the paper, and I will just give shadows with this color. Alright, and last step, I will paint the rest of the cam, but for the last step I will show you how to highlight this gold. So I mix Viking Gold with Chrome from Voleco Model R, and I just give the highlights in the highlights where there are not shadows painted with contrast color, and some edges. So I want to create a very subtle highlighted italics. Mostly I focus on the edges and rivets. So remember to not overdo the wash, just one wash with the Wildwood and then 1 or 2 layers with Basilicanum Grey. Alright, so I will finish rest of the cam and let's proceed to the next stage.